Should teachers be replaced by computers? I'd say no because it wouldn't be fun to look at a screen and you would have to type instead of using words out of your mouth.
Technology won't replace teachers, but teachers who use technology will probably replace teachers who do not.
One thing I would change to make my school a healthy environment is I would change the violence in the school because it may seem as there's a lot of violence. And so it may seem that there's a lot of violence in the schools. As we know, if you watch the news, so many times kids or teenagers have died or they have committed suicide just because the kids have been bullied either because of their skin or because their body weight or their body getting body shamed or they're being bullied or they're not having equal rights. And so that's something I would like everyone to know is that you should not body shame anyone or make fun of their skin or make fun of their looks or their personality. Like it's not okay.